what is up? Welcome back to today's episode. Just kind of, showing you guys my day in the life today, pretty much. What we got going on today is we just barely picked up, or actually they just came in the mail. We got a few extra coins right there. We got this Morgan dollar that came in. That's pretty good. We have some CAC certified coins, 7+. That's probably my favorite grade is a 7+. Here's a 1890 in MS65. It's kind of dark in this lighting, but I like it. This 1960 harder date for full bell lines. It's got some cool little toning on there. Here's a coin that I've been picking up more recently is a MS67 Walker. I have a few of those in inventory right now. And then here's a 78 8 tail feathers rated MS64. Pretty cool coin. Then we got a few other, just miscellaneous coins going on right there. And yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the gym. I gotta get my wallet. We're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see what happens. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get some work done. I'm gonna update you guys on the $100 to $10,000 series. That is, that's still going on, so that's always good. I know, and it's been a week or two since, the videos have come. I can't get my freaking wallet in my pocket. Jeez Louise. Turn that Xbox off. Playing Xbox this morning. We got to bring them headphones as well. Can't go to the gym. Ooh. Can't be going to the gym without headphones. Alrighty, we're good. Okay. We're gonna go to the gym and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna be talking about what is happening with the $10,000 challenge now, and pretty much just update you guys on what's going on in the next few weeks of my life. So let's get into it and let's have a good day, guys. Here we go. So this is pretty much what we've done so far today. So I'm just kind of booting up the computer right here, and we just got this baby. Let me see. My address is on here. All right, my address is on here. So, all right, so we just bought, we'll just zoom in on these babies. We just bought 14 of these 2023 Silver Eagles for about 800 bucks, with tax and all that good stuff. And so pretty much what happens, with those kind of coins, I'll show you guys a few of them right now. Let's pull one of them out. So this is a PCGS Silver Eagle MS70, brand new 2023. And pretty much what happens with these kind of coins is, since they're so new, there's not really a price guide on them. Only like the big whales really get a hold of them in the first few months. Pretty much did is I kind of just took a shot at as many as I could get my hands on at the time. I could only buy 14, so I just bought 14. At this point in time, you don't really know if you're gonna make a profit on them or not, but that they're gonna be in high demand. So, I might just sit on these for a couple months, maybe even maybe I'll sell them tomorrow. You never really know with these new kind of silver commodity items. So, you could sell them tomorrow, you could sell them in a couple months, and, hopefully you make money on them. I'm looking to make, a couple % on each of them. I mean, 10% would be nice, but, you might make a little bit less, a little bit more. It depends on if somebody wants it or if nobody wants it, So that's pretty much what's on my desk right now, along with a lot of other, you guys, a few other things that I got. So, we just barely picked this stack of coins right here, as well as this stack right here up. This one I have not really looked through it yet. I know there's a 1927 peace dollar in here, and then the rest I believe are world coins. So those I don't do too often. I don't think I've actually ever bought world coins before. So this is gonna be my first time. We're kind of gonna figure it out together. And then we bought a bunch of PCGS world coins as well. I mean, we have like one, common peace dollar and a Morgan, but the rest are all world coins from Denmark, Iceland, and Great Britain. Oh yeah, Great Britain, baby. And then these are some extra coins that I was sent as a token of their appreciation for the business, and I appreciate it. And then these are the bigger coins in the lot. Here we have a CAC certified coin. It's an MS67+. I actually really tend to like this grade. I think it's just, a cool grade before you get into the super duper crazy money. Here we have a really nice toner. Let's get that in the nice light. I like the color on this coin. It's got the blue that, kind of like lime color, and the dark purples in the corner. So that's a nice coin. Put this one right over here. Here we have a harder coin to get your hands on. It's a 1960 in full bell lines. This is a harder coin to get your hands on. I think it's pretty nice though with the toning. Here we have another, not a hard coin to get your hands on, just a different coin. This coin maxes out at a MS66, so to get my hands on a 65, I'm pretty proud of that. Not really maxing it out, but just kind of getting as close as I can without spending, you know, $5 grand. Here is a MS67 Walker, you know, just a very cool coin, very fun to, I like them, you know, they're always fun, they're always in demand, and they're not too expensive for what they are. And then here we have a 8 tail feathers Morgan. This one is a little bit darker, but it's got some nice colorations on it, especially on the back. Very nice, I like it very much. So those are the new purchases for this week. Hopefully, you know, we can just keep buying more and more and more. And, you know, we're getting ready for Long Beach, so my desk is absolutely filthy right now. We just have, you know, 150 things on 150 miles everywhere, just, you know, moving. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what I want to bring, figure out what I want to submit, and that's about it. You know, figure out what I want to bring to the show, figure out what I want to sell at the show, and that is about it. So pretty much after I've looked at all the coins and I've, you know, kind of checked them in and whatever, what I do is I need to cost code them, which pretty much looks a little bit like this. So pretty much we just have my price. We have a second, we have the price I'm selling it for. We have a price that I know I can go to in case it's like a wholesale client, or, you know, somebody just really wants this coin but they don't want to pay the, you know, full 35. And then we have my cost down there at the bottom. So, you know, the only one that you can actually read is the price. So pretty much just keeps me, you know, people from knowing what I paid for things and, you know, all that different kind of stuff. But for this series, you know, specifically, I'm going to be kind of like helping you guys know about, you know, what I do and how I do it and all the cool stuff. So once we get it cost coded, then let's open it up over here. What we do is we input it into the spreadsheet first. So we input it into the spreadsheet, and pretty much it just looks a little bit like this. You know, we put the, let's see if we'll focus on you. Put the coin in there, we put the certificate number in there, we put my cost, we put my price, and then we pretty much put, really? Okay. And then pretty much in these last few rows, you know, up here, I can't show up at the very top because I have a few addresses up there, but pretty much what, you know, what I bought it for, what I sold it for, who I sold it to, how much the shipping was, how much I paid for the shipping, my gross profit, and then over there is my net profit. So there's a lot of columns that I pretty much have to fill out on that. And then what we do once we have, those are mostly for just coins I bought, and then once we have done that, once we go over there, then we will either put it on the eBay page or we will put it on, and we have the eBay page, which it's brand new, so, you know, Mero coins, 21 items sold. We only have an 80% positivity rate. That's because I had a bad deal, like, I think it was 8 months ago now, so, you know, it'll go away eventually. But once we go over here, we go over to home, and every single graded coin is going to end up here at some point. Most of the raw coins all end up on eBay, and that's pretty much how I keep track of them. But here we go, you know, here we pretty much just keep all the coins in here. Just, you know, some of them have true views and look really nice, and some of them don't, so you just have to take a picture of them. And that's what I use, you know, the light for, as well as the camera that I'm using right now. And then pretty much, you know, we just add the coin in there, and that's all we do. And then after that, then, you know, we're pretty much done. And we either will list it or we'll hold it for a little bit. You know, it kind of just depends on the coin and how I'm feeling and if I think it will sell or not. Alrighty, now that we're back, to be completely honest, I kind of just sat there and ate a protein bar and looked at my phone for like 30 minutes. I'm still sitting here, you know, in the exact same spot that I was before. And pretty much what we're going to do now is, I have a few things to show you. I have one thing to show you guys on the TV, actually, that I'm pretty proud of. Here we go. Let me just hop back up here. Oh. Yeah, just go over here. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. I am in the Champion League. I am in the, quote, best of the best league of Fortnite. Yeah, pretty proud of myself. I probably have the lowest KD ratio of any player in that division, and I'm not that good. I feel decent when I play in like regular matches, but ranked, whoo, I am not good at all. I think I won like one time through the whole thing, and that was in like Division 7, so I was pretty proud. But we're gonna take all the items that sold on eBay this week, and we pack them up, and we'll ship them out. We're gonna go drop them off. I think we had like 5 items sell, so we're gonna go ship those out, and then when we're done with that, that's, you know, pretty much it. We just have like these bags of, you know, coins that sold, and then we have like these chips, these buffalo nickels, you know, these silver, this like miscellaneous coin stuff. I mean, gonna be like random stuff. I mean, my whole desk is just absolutely filthy. I mean, we have way too much stuff. Gotta get rid of some stuff. And yeah, I'd like to update you guys. I have no idea where my phone went. I have no idea how I'm gonna update you guys. Okay, I lost my phone. Real time. I have no idea where it is. I wanted to update you guys on the $100 to $10,000 challenge. And I have put the $130 that we made into the stock market, and it is up, I believe, like $12 now. So we're probably gonna take it out at the end of this week, and I'm gonna have like a long, like a really long video with like, like 3 different things in it instead of just like doing one thing. So hopefully it's like better, and it'll be like, cut, so it's like, there's not days in between and all that kind of stuff that you don't really tell. But it should be pretty decent. Should be pretty good. I'm excited for it to come out. Hope you guys are excited for it to come out. And yeah, that's my day as a business owner. We're kind of just getting some work done. We're preparing for a show. The Utah show that I went to actually was terrible. I bought 0 coins there. All the coins you've seen today were coins that I bought online, and they just arrived today. But so yeah, the Utah show was not good for me. I just didn't have any coins there for me. So I probably won't be going back for the next one, and that's okay because I didn't buy anything and I wouldn't have made any money anyways. So there goes my plane ticket. It was only like $40, so it's not super big deal, and I got to spend time with my family, so that's always fun. But yeah, that's pretty much the day, how it goes and what happens. I'll see you guys on Monday's video. Fingers crossed it will be a super good one in the challenge video that I would like to accomplish this year. So here we go, guys. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.